Hi guys! Hindi po kami after work pagkasundo ni Noel. We're here sa Quang Binh. You know, Quang Binh. We're having mag-dinner kami. Kaming dalawa lang. Wala nang bihis-bihis. Pagkagaling sa trabaho, diretso na kami. Kasi napakaulan sa labas. Grabe. Pa, can you say hello? Say hello. Yeah.
Hello. Happy birthday, Christina.
It's my birthday today. Ito lang, dalawa lang kami. Wala kaming
Wala kaming imbitado.
Ibig sabihin, wala kaming celebration. Kaya mag-dinner lang kaming dalawa. Ayan.
Dinner.
Dinner lang kami. Okay, so order kami na, Balong Vietnamese restaurant. Order lang kami ng noodles.
Quang Binh.
Order lang kami ng noodles, saka Anyway guys,
Our favorite restaurant.
time check, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. Early din ayan na, say goodbye na.
Mamaya na uli.
I'll catch up with you again guys later. Kaya na po siya ng
Lagyan nito. Wala pala.
Ganyang mint yung sinasabi ko na gusto ko
Wala
itanim.
silang isang mint. Dalawa dapat kong mint nito.
Gusto ko yung mint na yun. You're naka-video ka ha. See?
Wala yung isa pa mint.
I don't want that one. It's too rough. Then you leave it there. Sarap guys. Kain tayo?
Yes. Yeah, look. Yummy.
Hi guys, our order arrived. Order ni Noel. Soft noodles. And we have that. And mine is cold turkey or something. So this is my birthday celebration. Dalawa kami. Hanggang dito pa kami mamaya. Dahan-dahan lang kain. Tapos may spring roll. Can I have chopstick, please? Kain tayo, guys.
Kain, guys. Let's eat.
Sarap.
Dito sa akin, I'm gonna put some chili oil. Wow. And
Kain tayo, guys.
ay walang lemon.
Charcoal. Chicken.
They forgot to give some lemon. Ooh.
But can you put some sauce?
Yeah.
Hawak ko si camera.
with sauce, this one.
Yeah, put some a little bit
You
here.
want chili sauce too.
Just there, that's it. That's enough. Enough. Okay guys, we'll leave you alone. We're gonna eat now. We can't eat. Bye.
Oh yeah.
Ngayon ka nga muna.
Subo muna ako.
Sumubo ka.
Uy. Very nice this one, guys. Look my noodles. Oh my god. This number one, guys. My favorite here. There's a prawns, pork, and noodles, soft noodles I want. Look, beautiful. Taste it now. Mmm. My God. Very nice.
Okay guys, gonna go. I'm gonna eat. Ayan. Busog na ako. Hindi ko na ubos. So. Daddy, ikaw. Ako tapos na ako.
Malapit na.
Nakadalawang chicken. Ano lang ako.
Malapit
Daddy,
kasi meron pang spring roll.
Hindi ko na ubos ang akin. Oh. Take away na lang to.
Oh, yum.
Look.
Ito ang tinatawag na stir fry egg noodles combination. Malapit na po. Malapit na.
Ito take away ko na lang to. Okay guys. Oh, naubos niya rin ako. She finished it. While I'm still not.
Naubos na po.
I only ate the spring roll.
No more.
I had 4 spring rolls.
Empty. Very nice.
I'll take away this one.